It's interesting that the children of today feel, oh, our education is very, very stressful, lot of pressure. I know what it was 30 years back, and I know what the exam system is now. It's completely different. But it's the right lifestyle which matters. So whether you're a student or whether you're a professional, create right sleeping habits. Early to bed, early to rise. Today, there are workshops being conducted called the 5 a.m. Leadership Club. The 5 a.m. Leadership Club. And a lot of your clients who are leaders in society, who are leaders in their profession, they're attending these 5 a.m. leadership clubs and they want to start waking up early. So what is so special about a 5 a.m. club? So 5 a.m., which means the 4 to 5 a.m. time is a high vibrational time. So we don't call it 5 a.m. leadership club, but we know it in Bharat since thousands of years as Amrit Vela, Brahma Mahurat. It is the Brahma Mahurat time, which means the highest vibrational Mahurat time of the 24-hour cycle. And many of us are asleep at that time. And many of us go to sleep at that time now. So when we do something which is absolutely against nature, the time that we have to wake up is a time that we are sleeping or going to sleep. It will have an impact on the mind and the body. So experiment. It's all very simple. Experiment. Early to bed, early to rise. The highest energizing time when we must be asleep is 10 to 2. These 4 hours is the highest energizing time for the mind and for the body both. So if instead of 10, I go to sleep at 12, I've lost out on 2 valuable hours of energizing. I think I can sleep anytime and I will sleep my 6-7 hours. It's not about 6-7 hours. It's about sleeping at the right time, in the right way, for the right number of hours. Not sleep any time of the day. It doesn't work for our health. It doesn't work for our concentration, focus, and it doesn't work for our emotional fitness. So 10 to 2 is the highest energizing time, which means by 10 o'clock, I should be deep asleep.